Got an H64 file containing video without any audio track? This is a video-only file using H.264 compression. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through playing and converting these Audioless H.264 video files. Spoiler alert. This isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single, sophisticated H64 file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. H64. Files are video files containing only H.264 AVC encoded video data without any accompanying audio track. They are used in security cameras, dashcams, and specialized video capture systems where audio recording isn't included or required. H64. Files contain raw H.264 video bitstream data or a simple container wrapping H.264 nail units without audio elementary streams. The format may include device-specific metadata timestamps and recording parameters from the originating capture hardware or surveillance system. The primary software for H64 is recognized as VLC Media Player, developed by VideoLAN. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows plays video smoothly when supported, but unsupported types require extra codecs. To open this specific format, right-click your H64 file and select Open With. If VLC Media Player is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the key. If you cannot access the H64 file, no problem. This particular H64 file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, playing in VLC, install VLC Media Player, which supports H.264 video streams in various container formats. Open VLC and use Media, then open File to select the H64 file. VLC plays the video without audio since none is present in the file showing video content normally. Next, converting with FFmpeg. Use FFmpeg to convert H64 files to standard MP4 format. Run FFmpeg, input, H64, CEV copy output, MP4 to remux without re-encoding. The resulting MP4 plays in any media player, though it remains audioless since the source contains no audio data. Finally, adding audio track. To add audio to the H64 video, use FFmpeg to combine the video with a separate audio file. Run FFmpeg, input, H64, iaudio.mp3, vcopy, CAAC output, MP4 to merge the streams. The output MP4 plays with synchronized video and added audio content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at FileMagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.